Hello, and welcome to the curriculum overview for the early childhood special education. Today I'm going to do a quick video for you on how to build your own curriculum. First of all, if you go to the link that was provided in the email, you will see this page. You will select Missouri and then Special School District of St. Louis. Then you will enter in ECSE, and the temporary password will be password, and you'll log in. Really quickly, it will ask you to change it. Please just keep it password for now. Oh, sorry. There we go. If it asks you to do that, just keep it password. What you're going to see here is you will see the first page. The curriculums for early childhood are listed here. You'll see expressive arts, literacy, mathematics, physical development, health and safety, and science, and lastly, social emotional learning. You have a Google survey link as well. And so what you will do is you will go into the curriculum, and from this page you will see an overview of the curriculum. You may click in to any of these and it will give you an overview of what is in that unit, the essential questions, the academic vocabulary. Then if you click into one of these topics, it will actually list out for you the different learning targets that are available in that topic. You'll also see here the description. This is where it is aligned to the standard. So that is one way you can view the curriculum. Another way that you can view it is to go over here to print course, and it will bring up a way for you to export the curriculum. You can export it into a PDF by selecting or Word or Excel, whichever you prefer. I find PDF is usually the most clean. And then if you hit export, and once it downloads, you can open it up. And this is a way where you can scroll through and see everything all together. So what you see here is your units and your topics, an overview of that. And then if you scroll on down, this is the course rationale, but here are your course details. So for example, this is our unit, speaking expressive language. Gives you a description, your essential questions, your academic vocabulary. Then it gives you your topic and each one of your learning targets that you can review. As you can see, you can scroll through here and see all the different topics and learning targets. And then once you complete that unit, it will take you to the next one. This might be an easier way for you to view and review. You can also print this with this icon up here if you're more of a paper person instead of wanting to look at it on the computer. So those are the ways you can access, build your own curriculum, and be able to review the curriculum. Also, just want to go through the survey with you. So here is a copy of the survey. You will choose the curriculum that you are reviewing. You will write in what you liked about the curriculum, and if you have any suggestions or opportunities for improvement, you may add that in, and any other comments that you may have. We appreciate your feedback on this curriculum as we want to make it user-friendly and accessible to all of you. Thank you for your time.